Hi, welcome to the 100th episode of this channel, Create to Amaze Art. In this channel, we upload DIY projects, product that I make to sell on my Etsy store, other informational videos, and of course, recipe videos. Thank you for all your love and support till now, and help me reach my next milestone. So, like, share, and subscribe. So, this video is a seafood feast. If you're a seafood lover, this is the video for you. We are going to make 4 different styles, 2 with prawns and 2 with squid. So let's get started.
To watch a detailed video how to clean prawns and squid, link will be in the description. Now let's start cooking the 4 different types of seafood today. Let's get started. I'm making all the 4 recipes today, so I have shown you all the ingredients that is required. Detailed ingredients for each recipe, check the description. So first is the ingredients for squid thoran. Next is the ingredients for squid masala roast. This is the ingredients for prawns coconut curry. So these 4 are the common ingredients. From the 1 kg squid, I have used the tentacles and head for the thoran. I'll slice the body to horizontal pieces for the masala roast. So first let's start with the prawns coconut curry. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add few whole masalas, fennel seeds and roast onions as shown. Add salt immediately. This will soften up the onions faster. Once it's nice golden color, add curry leaf. Now add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, pepper powder, fennel seed powder. Roast the masalas in oil for few minutes and then add tomatoes. Roast it for few minutes, it will become mushy. Now add prawns. Let it roast on high flame for 2-3 minutes and then cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now add the thinner coconut milk. Let it cook in it for 5 to 6 minutes. Adjust for salt accordingly. A pinch of garam masala. To create a variation, I fish out a few pieces of prawns which is cooked in the coconut milk just like this and then roast it so that we get 2 variations. One is coconut milk prawns curry and also the roast. I will show you how to roast it in a bit. Now add the thick coconut milk. The sauce thickens and then yes, your coconut milk prawns curry ready. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil, a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of red chilli powder, pepper powder, garam masala powder, and prawns. Fry it till your liking. It tastes amazing. Please do try it out and let me know in the comments. Now let's make squid masala roast. To reduce the time taken, I'm pressure cooking it for 1 whistle. If you feel that it will become rubbery, you can skip this method and cook it in stove. Add a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well, pressure cook for 1 whistle. Don't forget to add salt. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. It's the same recipe as the prawns coconut curry. The only difference is here we add coriander powder, because we pre-cooked it. It will take only few minutes and add a little coconut milk and cover and cook only for 2-3 minutes and roast it. Don't overcook it or else it will become rubbery. Now the Kerala style star, Squid Thoran. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add onions, roast it. Include all the masalas one by one as shown here. It is the same process. Only difference is we add coconut and chopped coconut fry to the tempering. This is the squid head and the tentacles chopped. I have pre-cooked it for 1 whistle. If you think it will become rubbery, you can skip that and cook it in the pan here. So this is the main difference between other recipes and this thoran. Add the coconut, few curry leaves and cover the squid on top like shown here and cook it for 2 minutes with the lid on. Give it a nice mix. Trust me, with the coconut on the squid, it smells amazing and tastes entirely different from the previous recipe. Please do comment below, did you like it or not? Let's make the tempering. Add the ingredients one by one as shown here. Roast it very well and mix them both. And then your squid thoran ready.